each and everyone. I'm Lemel Bulakoy from HE11. Today, I'm going to talk about a serious issue that affects many students. It is bullying. It's a word we hear a lot, but sometimes we don't realize how deeply it can hurt. Bullying doesn't just leave bruises and the outside, it leaves scars on the inside that can last for years. Bullying can happen anywhere in classrooms, hallways, online, or even among friends. It can be physical, like pushing or hitting. It can be verbal, like teasing or spreading rumors. And in today's world, it can be even happen through social media where mean comments can reach hundreds of people in seconds. Bullying not only affects the victim but also the community. When the bullying happens, students may lose confidence. I want to share my experience back then when I was in grade 9. I was bullied because of my skin color and my teeth. Some people thought it was funny, to the point out things it couldn't change. They made jokes, called my names, and made me feel like I didn't belong. At first, it hurts a lot and made me lose confidence. But as time went on, I realized that their words didn't define me. Now, I'm proud of who I am. But here's something we all need to remember. Every one of us has the power to make it stop. Standing up against bullying doesn't mean fighting back. It means choosing kindness over cruelty, understanding over judgment, and respect over hate. If you ever see someone being bullied, don't just stay silent. Sometimes, a simple act sitting with someone who's alone, defending a classmate, or reporting what you saw can change someone's life. Silence helps the bully, speaking up helps the victim. Let us all make a promise today to build a school where everyone feels safe, respected, and accepted. For who they are, a school differences are celebrated, not mocked, because kindness costs nothing, but it can mean everything. Thank you, and let's stand together to stop bullying once for all.